Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to disconnect earphone to our vivo phone. Guys, you want to disconnect guys this earphone to your vivo phone, so guys you can disconnect. And guys, now let's see how to disconnect earphone to our vivo phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to disconnect earphones. So guys, now let's see how to disconnect it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disconnect it. Then guys, scroll it and guys click on your Bluetooth and device setting. Guys, click on your Bluetooth setting. Then guys, you can see guys we have connected this earphone. And guys, how to disconnect? Guys, you can see the setting option, tap here to disconnect option. Then guys, you can see your disconnect option and forget option. So you want to disconnect, so guys, you will click on disconnect and it will disconnect. As you can see, this red light means disconnect. Guys, we will off it. So our earphone will disconnect in our vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect earphone to our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So as now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.